We like using choice boards in our teaching context for pretty much any summative assessment or, I guess, formative assessment. There are many, many different types of learners, so we should be providing many different types of assessment and not just one template that the students have to follow. Many of our students struggle with maybe their reading or their writing, but that kind of stops them from showing their level of comprehension for a topic or a subject that we've been working on. So by providing them choice boards, they have the opportunity to maybe do an artistic piece or write a poem or record something on video. And that allows them the opportunity to demonstrate what they've learned in a way that's intrinsic and meaningful for them, without being stuck to one rigid structure.